quick.
Oh.
So hang on, I just want to do a quick check where the rocket's going to be. Right, put the thingies on.
This is the final launch tonight. The sunset window is now passed.
We thought the parachute was on fire, but it was actually the sun glinting on the parachute.
Okay.
No, that's not going to work. I think I'll just stand dangerously close to it.
Like
That's
where
the
you are
solution
now.
to the problem, isn't it?
Like where you are now.
Yes.
Henry's going to stand dangerously close to it.
Right,
Buggered if I am.
Okay.
Hang on.
Launching at 9:43 and at 9:44, 10 and 10 seconds.
Key in.
Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, Bula. I'm gonna catch it!
Hey! It's coming straight for us.
Right, this way. It's gonna go the tree.